Welcome to Lay's Kitchen. Switzerland is a land of breathtaking alpine landscapes, charming villages, and rich traditions. And let's not forget its famous cuisine, with fondue, raclette, and Swiss chocolate taking center stage. Today, let's zoom in on raclette, a dish named after the cheese. Think raclette is just melted cheese? Think again. In this video, I'll show you the authentic Swiss way to enjoy raclette. Perfectly melted cheese paired with the best ingredients with my own unique dipping sauces. Whether you're hosting a raclette party or just want a cozy cheese-filled meal, I've got the ultimate tips and tricks for you. Step 1. Parboil the potatoes. Place a medium-sized pot onto the stove, salt the water, and place the potatoes in a pot. Bring the water to a boil and lower the heat to a simmer until the potatoes are fork tender. Time depends on the size of the potatoes, anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. Next, blanch the Brussels sprouts. Off camera, I quarter the Brussels sprouts. Blanch them in the boiling water with salt for 2 to 3 minutes. Drain and set aside. Now let's cut the vegetables. Slice the parboiled potatoes. Slice bell peppers and onions. Arrange all vegetables in platters and cover with plastic wraps. Time to prepare the proteins. Slice sausages on a bias. Slice steak thinly, about 1/8 of an inch. I also cleaned and deveined the shrimp. Dust some baking soda onto the steak and a bit of water to mix for tenderizing. In 2 separate bowls, season steak and shrimp with salt, pepper, and olive oil and mixed. After seasoning, butterfly the shrimp and clean any additional veins if needed. Arrange them in separate platters and cover them with plastic wraps. Arrange all prepared vegetables and proteins in platters. Remember, you eat with your eyes first, so presentation is everything. Next, preparing the cheeses. Since raclette is the hero of the dish, make sure you have some raclette cheese. I also added some Gruyere and Swiss cheeses. Plan on half a pound of cheese per person. Sliced cheese about 1/8 of an inch thick. Place them into platters. I'm showing you the size to fit into the cheese slot for the raclette grill we have. Your guests can also cut or rip the cheese to fit into the slot. Cover with plastic wraps and set aside in the fridge. Making a salad. Off camera, I sliced romaine lettuce thinly. Wash and drain the water. Slice a cara orange or regular orange. Clean blueberries. Slice a few pieces of red onion. Combine all in a salad bowl and cover with a plastic wrap. Making 2 dipping sauces. This is my special because traditional raclette does not have dipping sauces. I have one green sauce, one red sauce. Let's start with the green one, which is a chimichurri sauce, a traditional Argentinian all-purpose sauce for steak and all sorts of proteins. In a bowl, I have half a cup of freshly chopped parsley, half a cup freshly chopped cilantro, and half a cup of red diced onions. To that, I added 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Adjust your own taste, or you can add fresh jalapeno, a squirt of lime juice, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil or more as needed. Then mix well. Time to make the red sauce. This red sauce is a Carne Asada marinade from Sam's The Cooking Guide on YouTube. I'll make sure I link to his episode. In a wide mouth mason jar, I have half a cup of olive oil. To that, add zest of 1 lime and juice of the same lime, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a bunch of fresh cilantro finely chopped, 3 large cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Close the lid tight and shake to mix. Prepare some pickles, such as cornichon, pearl onions, and chili peppers, as you can see in the small bowl. We're almost to the finishing line. Let's set the table and raclette grill. Set plates, bowls, silverware, wooden raclette spatula, and napkins. Set raclette grill in the middle of the dining table. Have an extension cord ready. Place all ingredients, cheeses, proteins, sauces on one end of the table, and veggies and salad on the other end. Brush the top of the raclette grill with olive oil. Time to serve. We have some good friends from out of town to enjoy the feast with us. Toss the salad with dressing for your guests to enjoy as a palate cleanser while waiting for the grill. Place cheese into each of the slots under the grill. This grill has 8 slots, so you can invite up to 8 people. We had the 4 of us, so everyone can have 2 slots to melt cheese at the same time. Place veggies and proteins on top of the grill. Ladle some sauces, green, red, or both, onto the plate. Flip the veggies and meats on top. Scoop the melted cheese onto your plate. Add grilled vegetables and proteins. Enjoy with a sauce of your choice or both, and a glass of wine, beer, or beverage of your choosing. This is a scene after 90 minutes of indulging, drinking, and conversing. What a perfect way to enjoy raclette. Melty, gooey cheeses, great company, and a glass of wine or an ice-cold beer. Whether you are hosting a cozy dinner or just treating yourself, raclette is all about slowing down, savoring the flavors, and enjoy the moment and friends. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.